सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Verse number 1. जाग्रत् स्वप्न सुषुप्तिषु स्फुटतरा या संविदुजृम्भते या ब्रह्मादिपिपीलिकान्ततनुषु प्रोता जगत्साक्षिणी सैवाहं न च दृश्यवस्त्विति दृढप्रज्ञापि यस्यास्ति चेत् चण्डालोऽस्तु स तु द्विजोऽस्तु गुरुः. इत्येषा मनीषा मम. Shankaracharya introducing the Mahavakya teaching as though it is received from the Lord Shiva, who is in the form of Chandala. Not that Shankaracharya do not know all this, but as a teaching he is bringing in the form of a dialogue between him and a Chandala, first two introductory verses. Then what is the teaching conveyed by that Lord Shiva? This is the teaching I received from that Lord Shiva. That is Mahavakya, Bodhaka, Jnanam that is given in these verses. First verse of Manisha Panchakam, Prajnanam Brahma Mahavakyam. Prajnanam Brahma Mahavakyam from Aitareya Upanishad comes in Rigveda. You have to supply a verb. Prajnanam Brahma Asti Bhavati Vidyate. And that Prajnanam Brahma word, Prajnanam means consciousness. Consciousness is Brahman. Brahma Swarupam is given. Brahman is nothing but consciousness. Brahman is in the form of consciousness. That is the real nature of Paramatma, Ishvara, the Lakshyartha. How to recognize this Brahman as myself? In the Veshti level, Jagrat Swapna Sushuptishu Sputatara. This consciousness, Prajnanam Brahma, is available in the form of Samvit. Samvit means Jnana, Sat principle, which is available in the form of consciousness. Samvit Vijrumbhate. That consciousness manifests. How it manifests? It doesn't have a form, it doesn't have a name specifically, but all forms, in all names, really speaking, that consciousness alone is there. That existence alone is there. So known to unknown is the method of teaching. Directly if you teach unknown thing, it is difficult. Shakha Chandra Nyaya we call it. Arundhati Darshana Nyaya. While showing the moon first time, a person wants to see the moon. Another person shows through the branches. See that big branch, see the tree first, then see the two branches. In the two big branches there is one small branch. In between that small branch you can see a bright light. Like that, the tree is known for the first time. Baby or child do not know what is moon. From known tree to unknown moon has to be shown. First time. The later the child knows that is moon. Afterwards Shakha Nyayam not required. Similarly Arundhati Darshana Nyaya. To show that Vasishta Arundhati, very very small stars, first they show Saptarshi Mandalam. All big stars, Saptarshi Mandalam. While looking at the Saptarshi Mandalam, it looks like a question mark. If you see in the sky, all four and other three, it comes like this. So, near Vasishta, Arundhati is the most smallest star. This couple, they have to see that Arundhati Darshanam. Expecting that couple also should live like a Vasishta Arundhati. That is the intention. So that Arundhati Darshanam is very difficult. How the priest shows, please see that Saptarshi Mandalam. After seeing Saptarshi Mandalam, you can come to know that Vasishta Rishi, then Arundhati, like that. This is called Arundhati Darshana Nyaya. Like that, Shastra also introduce from known to unknown. What we know? Jagrata Avastha we know, Swapna Avastha we know, and Sushupti Avastha also we know. From these avasthas you recognize all these three avasthas are Vyavartakam. One excludes the other. Waker is not there in dream. Dreamer is not there in waking state. Both of them are excluding each other. Vyavartakam. Waker is not available in sleep. Sleeper is not available in the waking state. Both of them are Vyavartakam, excludes the other. If you are there, I won't come. If I am there, you cannot come. As long as you are listening to the class, sleeper cannot come. Because you are waker, listening to Manisha Panchakam. Waker cannot be missed. While you are listening to that Manisha Panchakam, sleeper cannot enter. Suppose sleeper enters, Manisha Panchakam, Swamini goodbye. Sleeper enters. So sleeper excludes the waker, waker excludes the sleeper. Both of them are Vyavartakam. Dreamer also, dreamer cannot come, dream cannot come. When sleep is there, Gadha Nidra. When sleeper enters, dreamer goes away, dream objects also goes away. Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti. Each avastha excludes the other avastha. Waker, dreamer, sleeper. Waking state, dream state and sleeping state. All these three states, Vishwa Taijasa, Prajna, three of them are playing the role one after the other. One after the other. Sometimes sequentially, sometimes in reversal order also. Dream to sleep, sleep to dream, and sleep to waking, waking to sleep, sleep to dream again, every day, every day. Every one of us going through all these three states. Then who is there? Immanent, not vyavartakam, but anusyutataya vartate ya samvit. Samvit means that consciousness. That consciousness, you can come here. Krishnamurti, come here, friend. Unga chair appadi irukke, vaanga. Ya samvit vijrumbhate. Vijrumbhate means what? That makes that Jagrat, Purusha, active. That samvit, consciousness, makes that sleeper to enjoy that blankness, and that samvit which makes the dreamer to dream experience. Samvit vijrumbhate, anusyotataya vartate, included in all three avasthas and experiencing all the three avasthas as Sakshi Chaitanya. Ya samvit vijrumbhate. That is why as a waker I know I am. As a dreamer I know my dream. As sleeper I know that I don't know anything. That awareness, I am conscious of my waking state. I am conscious of my dream experience. I am conscious of my sleep experience. Also, I slept well. I am conscious of. This I am conscious of is called samvit vijrumbhate. This one line is sufficient to say that, to claim aham prajnanam brahma. One line is sufficient, which is very close to us. Three avasthas, avasthatraya viveka, this is. I said in the last class, the prakriyas, one of the best prakriya method to teach Vedanta is avasthatraya prakriya. This is very, very easy also to understand, to grasp the truth. If we do not understand in this Jagrata Avastha, Swapna, Sushupti, three avasthas prakriya, you cannot understand any prakriya. This is the most easiest, closest prakriya. You dwell upon that prakriya. Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti. These three words are clear, I hope. Waking state, dream state and sleep state. I am only the waker, I am only the dreamer, I am only the sleeper. If I am the waker, dreamer, sleeper, but bodies are different. Waker body is different from dreamer's body. In sleep there is no waker body, dream body, both of them are not there. That's why body is mithya. Trikale am na tishtati. Three avasthayam na tishtati. Sthula shariram is not available in dream. Sushma shariram is not available even in deep sleep. Three avasthas, who is available? Consciousness. That is why that is Satyam. Whatever is available in three avasthas must be Satyam. unnegatable. But waker negates dreamer, dreamer negates waker, sleeper negates waker dreamer. But none of them negate the consciousness. That's Samvit. That is why Vijrumbhate, it is said, it is available as aham ahamiti, I am. In dream waking state, that aham is active. Waking state, it is active, aham. In dream state, it is partially active. And in deep sleep state, that aham vritti, totally passive. Because body is not available, mind is not available in deep sleep state. About deep sleep state, you cannot study in deep sleep. You want to study deep sleep, that study about deep sleep, when can you study? In deep sleep or waking state? Waking state. Therefore, Shastra is the pramanam, source for us to study about deep sleep in waking state. Second line, ya brahmadi pipilikanta tanushu prota. This Samvit is intertwined, prota, inheres, eminently. It is there in Brahmaji onwards up to and a small. And all beings, this consciousness is available. From Brahmaji onwards, Brahmadi, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, all the gods, all the celestials, all human beings, all animal kingdom, aquatic creatures, plant kingdom, any species in this world, all 3 lokas, 14 lokas, Brahmadi, Pipilikanta. Pipilikanta means up to. Anta means here, not end. Up to. Pipilikanta. Up to and means small creature. Tanushu means in the bodies. Tanu means body. Tanushu, in those bodies. Prota. Prota means inheres, eminently. As what? Jagat Sakshini, as a witness consciousness. That Samvit, consciousness is available. Actually, Samvit means knowledge. Jnanam. Samvit means Jnanam, knowledge. Here, knowledge in the meaning of consciousness. I am conscious of. When you say I am conscious of, now this flower I show, all of you are conscious of this flower? Are you conscious of? Normally we don't ask the word, are you conscious of this flower? What we ask, do you know this flower? Are you aware of this flower? Yes, I know that flower. I know that word in Shastra. Yes, I am conscious of that flower. I know that flower, or I can say I am conscious of that flower. It is as good as saying I am conscious of that flower. I know this flower means what? Is equal to I am aware of this flower. That means what? I am aware of this flower is equal to awareness. You have awareness of this flower. Correct? Awareness means what? Consciousness. Therefore, I know this flower when you say, you are conscious of this flower. You are conscious of this flower means you are witnessing this flower. You are the witnesser. Which flower is an object in the world? Jagat. You are the witnesser. You are the witnesser means who that? Who? You are the witnesser. Who is that you? Shariratrayam? No. Reflected consciousness? No. Because 4 of them are mithya. But original consciousness alone is that witnesser through Chidabhasa, through 3 bodies. Without bodies, Chidabhasa cannot happen. Without OC, Chidabhasa cannot happen. OC is Satyam, RC is Mithya, Stula Shariram, Sukshma Shariram, Karana Shariram, 3 Sharirams are Mithya, 4 of them are Mithya, then who is Satyam? Jagrat Swapna Sushuptishu Sputatara Ya Samvit Angushtamatra Purusha. But here, this Angushtamatra Purusha is formless. We are not able to grasp. Because formless, functionless, akarta, abhokta, nirvikaraha, nirupaha. Shastra says that you have to understand. You need not see it, you need not touch it, you need not smell it, you cannot, but you can understand. How you should understand? Through Chidabhasa, which Chidabhasa is formed in Sukshma Shariram, which Chidabhasa is formed in the Sukshma Shariram because of Sthula Shariram, which Chidabhasa existing because of 2 bodies, which 2 bodies are because of Karana Shariram. These 3 bodies are instruments, upadhi. Because of them, I, the OC, am reflecting as RC. Through RC, I understand. I witness. Therefore, I witness. Which I? I or I am. I am. I am the witnesser. That's why my name is Sakshi. Jagat Sakshi Aham. Flower is in the world. Jagat only it is. I am the witnesser of the flower. I am the witnesser of the clip. I am the witnesser of the mic. I am the witnesser of the fan, light, etc., etc. All Jagat, I am the Sakshi. Including my body, I am the Sakshi. Including my thoughts, I am Sakshi. I am the witnesser of thoughts arising in the mind. I am the witnesser of the body which is functioning and not functioning properly. I am the witnesser. Are you conscious of your body? Are you conscious of your body or not? Are you conscious of your hunger? Are you conscious of your thirst? Are you conscious of your each limb of the body? But you are not the body. You are conscious of all your thoughts, but you are not the thought. The knower of thought is not the thought. The knower of the mind is not the mind. The knower of the body is not the body. The knower of the world is not the world. Therefore, I am Sakshi Chaitanya, witnesser. Go to the 3rd line. Sa eva aham, that witness consciousness. Jagat Sakshi. In me, the Jagat Sakshini, all these are appearing and disappearing like waves, appearing and disappearing in the waters. Waves are appearing and disappearing in the waters. Similarly, wakerhood, dreamerhood, sleeperhood is like a wave appearing in me, the Sakshi Chaitanyam. They are disappearing or dissolving into me, the Sakshi Chaitanyam. I am the Samvit. In me they are appearing, in me they are dissolving. All they are mithya. Waves are satyam or mithya? Swamini, give 1 minute time, 2 minutes time. Let me think over. Waves, Tarangam, Satyam or Mithya? Mithya. Wave is only Nama, Rupa on your lip movement. Lip movement, lip service, that is called. Wave was water, wave ever will be water. Really speaking, there is no wave at all. I. While you are seeing wave also, what is there? While seeing wave is there. When wave goes away, water is there. Can you say that? I'll repeat. While seeing wave is there, Swamini. While wave disappears, water is there. What a nice statement this is. While seeing wave, wave is there. But when wave disappears, water is there. Is it correct statement? Correct is Swamini. Correct only no. It is not correct. While seeing the wave also, you are seeing not the wave. You are seeing what? Water. Water alone you are seeing. Not the wave? No. Not the wave. Wave is not there. When you are seeing the pot, I am seeing the pot. Is correct statement? If I say no, something wrong. So, yes, Swami, I am seeing the pot. I say you are not seeing the pot. I say you are seeing the clay alone. Very, very difficult. No? Immediately when I ask you what you are seeing, I am seeing pot. I say you are not seeing pot, you are seeing clay alone. Who is right? Both of us are right? You want to say both of us are right? Like children say, Amma, unakku 10 marks, enakku 10 marks. Pasangal kuda, enakku marks, unakku marks. Pot is also right, clay is also right. Only one answer can be there. There are no two answers. What is that answer? You are seeing only clay in a different form. Similarly, what you are seeing in the world, when you are seeing wave, you are seeing water. You are touching the wave, you are touching the water. When you are seeing the pot, you are seeing the clay. When you are touching the pot, you are touching the clay. That means the root, the moolam, the original only you are touching. You are seeing. Similarly, the entire universe, when you are touching, when you are seeing, when you are feeling, when you are experiencing, really speaking, you are experiencing only Sat, Chit only. There is no Nama, Rupa really. That Nama Rupa is Mithya. When you touch flower isness, you have to understand. No, Swamini, this is flower. Puja Swami, Janna Panduvar Theriyumo, ella he cultivate all the petals. One public lecture Swami did like that only. Where is the flower? Where is the flower? Where is the flower? Where is the flower? One petal. This is 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 petal. Like this is go on doing. Show me where is flower. Where is flower? Only petals. Assemblage. You are given the name flower. There is no flower. Show me where is flower. I show all petals. Petals. Then what about flower? Vacharambhanam, vikaraha, assemblage, namadheyam. Satyeva satyam. Easiness, what is there now here? Stem is there. The stem is also not there. You have to take it out and you make it pieces. Easiness alone will be there all the time. Like that, every object in the world you have to, that is your homework. I cannot take the whole world and do like this petals, man, flower man. Panna mudiyadu. Intellectually you have to do your own body first. Idi panna kattukadu. Which part of body I am? Am I legs? Am I hands? Am I eyes? Am I nose? Am I ears? Am I skin? Am I skeleton? Am I brain? No. Then who am I? Am I mind? I do not know. Where is it? What is it? Then who am I? The knower of the body, the experiencer of the body, the observer of the body, the awarer of the body, mind, complex thoughts is myself, consciousness. But tangibly this is available 60 to 80, 90 cages covering this knowledge. With this only you have to understand. With what you are understanding you have to negate. See, what a beauty here. With what you are understanding, body, mind complex, you have to negate. Just as holding the part, you have negated the part. Similarly, hold this body, mind complex and say, I am not body, mind complex. That is the meaning of Saha Aham Eva, Saha Prajnanam Brahma Samvit Aham Eva. Na Drishya Vastu Iti. I am not an objectifiable entity at any time, at any place. I am the subject. Everything is objectifiable by me, through me only. Na Drishya Vastu I am. Negator of, observer of everything is observer I am. Experiencer of everything, experiencer I am. Everything is experienced. Drishyam. Aham na drishyam. Aham drugeva, drugeva, drugeva. I am the seer. I am not the seen. Whatever is seen is mithya. Body is seen or not. Your body is seen by you or not. Therefore, mithya. Drishyam iti. Mind is seen by you or not, your own mind, your own thoughts. Are you the observer of your own thoughts or not? Therefore, you are not the mind or thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. Na drishya vastu iti saha prajnanam samvit ahameva dhrida prajna. This is called dhrida prajna, means firm knowledge. What is firm knowledge? I am the witness consciousness principle. I am the observer, I am the experiencer, I am the awarer, I am the knower, but I am never the observed, never the known, never the experienced object. That means I am not the body-mind complex. Never identify with the body-mind complex. Make use of the body-mind complex. Make use of it intelligently. But never claim, I am the body-mind. Which body-mind holds that motherhood, fatherhood, brotherhood? Body-mind itself is not real. Its fatherhood, motherhood, how much real? How much real? Once this is falsified, all the relations are also falsified. Make use of your relations, but don't give reality to the relations. Make use of your body, but don't give reality to the body. Make use of your mind, don't give reality to the mind. I am that aware consciousness principle. Yasya asti chet, whoever is having this knowledge, whether he is a Chandala or any caste, any religion, any language, doesn't matter, no caste religion bar. Chandalostu saha, Dvijaha astu saha mama guruhu eva iti manisha. This is my understanding, this is my knowledge, this is my conviction. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we have to come to the next verse, second verse, in which Shankaracharya introducing second Mahavakya Aham Brahmasmi, which occurs in Brihadaranyaka, which belongs to Krishna Shukla Yajurveda, not Krishna Shukla Yajurveda. We'll read page number 11 in Tamil books. Brahmaivahamidam jagatcha sakalam Chinmatra vistaritam Sarvam chaitana vidyaya trigunaya Asesham maya kalpitam Itham yasya dridhamati sukhatare Nitye pare nirmale Chandalostu satudvijostu guruhum Ityesha manisha mama. That Sambit Prajnanam Brahma alone is Jagat Karanam. Now previous shloka, first shloka, we have understood that I am that Sambit, I am that Prajnanam Brahma. Correct? I am consciousness principle. Prajnanam Brahma, words you may not know, but you know something. What is that something? I am conscious of. I am a conscious being. I am aware of. I know. Are you aware of me here in sitting in front of you? First adi sollu. Are you conscious of me? I am sitting in front of you. Yes, you are conscious of. That means you are a conscious being. That conscious being alone is, in Shastra, the word is used, Prajnanam. Jnana Swarupam. Conscious being. Prajnanam. That Prajnanam is called Brahman. Brahman is that who is known as Prajnanam, consciousness. That consciousness is myself, because I am a conscious being. You yourself said, nod your head, I am conscious being, Swami. Conscious being is that which has got consciousness. The one who has got consciousness is called conscious being. Correct? The one who has got consciousness is called conscious being. That means I am conscious being. I am consciousness. Shastra says that consciousness is Brahman. Since I am consciousness, I must be Brahman. இது என்ன பெரிய விஷயம், எவ்வளோ ஈஸி பாருங்க. Are you conscious of me? Yes, Swami, I am conscious of you. You are sitting in front of me. Since you are conscious of me, you are a conscious being. Since you are a conscious being, you are nothing but consciousness. That consciousness is called Prajnanam. That Prajnanam happens to be Brahman. So Brahman is equal to Prajnanam or consciousness. Consciousness is myself. Therefore, I am Brahman. I am Brahman. First shloka. Now he is presented in the second shloka. Since Aitareya Upanishad says Prajnanam Brahma, in Jagrata, Swapna, Sushupti, I am aware of my Jagrata Avastha, I am conscious of my dream Avastha, I am conscious of my sleep Avastha. Therefore, I am Prajnanam Brahma. Aham Prajnanam Brahma Asmi. After introducing Prajnanam Brahma in Aitareya Upanishad Rigveda, Shukla Yajurveda says, expecting from you, now tell me, now you tell me, I have introduced you Prajnanam Brahma, now what is your job? You have to say, Aham, that Prajnanam Brahma Asmi. Aham Brahma Asmi. Saeva Aham. Saevayam is there. Saivayam in previous mantra, previous shloka. Saivayam is there. Saivayam means Saeva Aham. That Samvit Sakshi Chaitanyam Aham Eva. Now, this Prajnanam Brahma, Aham, I am Brahman, that Brahman is Jagat Karanam. Tasmadva etasmad atmana akashas sambhutaha akashad vayuhu vayuragnihi agnirapaha adhyah prithvi prithivya oshadhayaha oshadhibhyonnam Annat Purushaha, the entire universe from I am the cause of this universe. All 5 elements are born out of me. I am giving birth to them. They are sustaining because of me. They are dissolving into me. All ornaments are born out of gold, sustaining because of gold. When you melt them, they dissolve into gold. Ornaments are nothing but gold. There are no ornaments other than gold. Therefore, entire universe is like an ornament, including your body, mind. Like an ornament. Born out of me, the consciousness principle. Sustaining because of me, the consciousness principle. All Nama, Rupa, Prapancha, including body, mind complex, which is sustaining because of me, which is born out of me, dissolving into me alone. Flower dissolved into what? Flower is dissolved into petal is. That easiness continues. Prota. Continuously that easiness is there. I am conscious of. Look into the shloka now. Jagat Karanam Brahma Aham Idam Jagatcha Sakalam Chinmatra Vistaritam. Brahma Prajnanam Brahma Aham Eva Idam Sakalam Jagat. Idam means this. Sakalam, entire Drishya Prapancha. World, body, mind, complex. WBM. WBM என்ன கோர்ஸ்? எந்த காலேஜில் படிக்க முடியும்? WBM கோர்ஸ் என்ன? வேர்ல்ட் பாடி மைண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ். WBM is called here Sakalam Jagat. World enna nalla we will say and will escape. That's why I am including BM also. What do you BM? Body. M for mind. W stands for world. What you are seeing outside is W. What you are experiencing proximately, closely is called body. What you are experiencing, the thoughts more interior, is also mind, mental thoughts, all are drishyam. Sakalam jagat idam. Idam sakalam jagat. This body you say. This body. Idam shariram kaunteya. Lord Krishna said in 13th chapter. Idam shariram kaunteya kshetramityabhidhiyate. Kshetram yaha janati saha kshetrajnaha. I am the knower of the kshetram, therefore I am kshetrajnaha. I am not kshetram. The knower of the pot is pot or different from the pot? Inna think pandreda konja neram. Knower of the pot is not pot. Knower of donkey is not a donkey. Knower is always different from known. Knower of the flower is not flower. Knower of the clip is not clip. You are all nodding your head. Same way you nod your head for next statement. Knower of the body is, say loudly, not the body. Then who am I? You are not the body. Body is yours. What is yours is not you. Handbag is mine. I am not the handbag. No. Flower is in my hand now. I am not the flower. Clip is in my hand. Idam clip. Idam pushpam. Whatever is idam, idam, idam. Sakalam idam. This. This body, this house, this fan, this light, this mic, everything, this. Idam. Sakalam jagat. Chinna matra vistaritam. Pervaded by chit, consciousness. Every being is conscious being. 84 lakhs of species. Brahmadi pipilikanta tanushu prota chinmatra chaitanyam. You are having consciousness, you are telling I am a conscious being. What about ant? Ant is conscious of your sugar dabba and enters the sugar dabba. If you keep the lid very loosely, enough, 1 hour, you have forgotten to keep the lid of the sugar dabba tin tightly. Ant is conscious of sugar, not one ant. How many ants will come? By that time, next coffee, when you are preparing, you open the dabba. All of them are ants, ants mayam. Are they conscious of the sugar or not? They are very much conscious of sugar. Each species is conscious being. That is why in every nama, rupa, shariram, I am chidrupena, chinmatra vistaritam. Aham Brahma, the Chaitanyam, Prajnanam, as consciousness, not only in this body I pervade in up to Brahma to Pipilika. In Brahma also, Brahmaji, Chaturmukha Brahma, I am the conscious being. There also. Up to Pipilika, the ant, I am only the conscious being. Therefore, as Prajnanam Brahma, the consciousness, I am Chaitanyam, Ahameva, Chidrupena Vistaritam, pervading in and through of all beings. What about your husband, son, daughter? I alone in the form of consciousness. Now who am I? I am conscious being. Where am I? In the form of consciousness. I am in my husband's body, wife's body, daughter's body, son's body, and grandchildren's body also. I am there or not? As what? Consciousness. Where I am not now? I am in every species. In America, England, or Bharat? Everywhere. Everywhere, in everybody, in every body, I am there as consciousness. Now, I am Brahman, Prajnanam Brahma Aham. This Brahman happens to be Jagat Karanam, therefore I am Jagat Karanam. I am Brahman. Brahman is the cause of this universe. Therefore, I am the cause of this universe. A is equal to B. I am Brahman. B is equal to C. Brahman happens to be the Jagat Karanam, cause of this universe. B is equal to C. Therefore, I am Jagat Karanam. Therefore, A is equal to C. I am Jagat Karanam. I am means which I am? Lower I or higher I? Higher I. Higher I means what? Consciousness. Now you are consciousness or you are the body? Consciousness. Therefore, never say I am the physical body with consciousness inside. Never say that. I am the physical body, I am a husband, I am a wife, I have spirit inside. Never say like that. Now what you have to say? I am a conscious being, the spirit, Chaitanyam, with an incidental body. Here and there, in every body. I am ever evident pure consciousness in all incidental bodies. Bodies are incidental or permanent? అది మన వాటికి జ్ఞాపకం పడుతుకడం இல்லையா? Remember, I am not incidental body, mind complex. Bodies are incidental, but I am immanent in all bodies in the form of consciousness. While you are saying this, you have dropped your lower I. You are saying this statement with higher I standpoint. You are the higher I, with the lower I you are talking, playing the role. Role is real or unreal? With lower I you are playing the role. With lower I, playing the role as Shishya, you are claiming the higher I. What role? While claiming higher I, which higher I, what role it has got? No role. Role-less role. No role at all. No patra. Husband patra, wife patra, role enna theriyum? Patra, vesham. In every vesham I am there, I am a veshi, I am not the vesham. But unfortunately, if I don't look into this, unfortunately we have forgotten this truth. That is called mistaking, superimposition, vibhramaha. Come out of that. Come out of that vibhrama. When muhurtam paakrala, நல்ல முகூர்த்தம் வரணும் சுவாமி, அந்த நாளும் வந்துடாது. Now here itself, Brahmavida apnoti param. Brahmavit, I am Prajnanam Brahma, the knower of that Brahman is Brahman. There is no attaining in some other time, at some other place as an event. Now, here itself, are you Prajnanam Brahma or not? You are Prajnanam Brahma to say that you need body-mind complex. To have that thought, vritti, you need body-mind complex. You are making use of your mind and body to claim that aham brahma asmi. Sakalam jagat chinmatra vistaritam. Second line. Sarvam cha etat avidyaya trigunaya. Why this world is appearing? Nama, Rupa, why I am taking them as real? Until today, why I am taking my husbandhood, fatherhood real? Why I am taking my son, daughter's body as real? Because avidyaya, because of maya. Sarvam cha, every nama, rupa, I am identifying with them, with this body, because of avidyaya, because of ignorance. Trigunaya, which avidya, maya has got sattva guna, rajo guna, tamo guna. It has got avarana shakti and vikshepa shakti. Because of its power, you require a guru, you require a shastra. Being a conscious entity, you need a guru because you have identified with the anatma, shariram, body, mind complex. That is called adhyasa. That is called ignorance. Avidyaya trigunaya. Asesham maya kalpitam. Entire universe, nama, rupa, including body, mind complex. Maya kalpitam. Because of me, everything is superimposed. Kalpitam means they are all projected by me. Stula shariram, sukshma shariram. Through Sthula Bhutani, Sukshma Bhutani. All Panchabhutas are projected by me. Sukshma Bhutani, all Sukshma Sharirams are projected by me. All Sthula Sharirams are projected by me because Sthula Bhutanis are projected by me, the consciousness. They are all my Kalpita means projection. Itham yasya dridhamatihi, whoever is having this knowledge, firm knowledge. Sukhatare nitye pare nirmale, that person enjoys, revel in Atma Swarupam, which is of the nature of pure Ananda, Shuddha Ananda, Bimbananda, Sukhatare, supreme Ananda, not adulterate Ananda, not Vishaya Ananda, but Swarupa Ananda, Sukhatare, Nitye, which is eternal, ever eternal. I, the pure consciousness, am ever eternal. Bodies, waves like bodies, comes and goes in me. Waves like minds, thoughts comes, arise in me and they disappear. Mayeva sakalam jatam, my sarvam pratishtitam, my sarvam layam yati. When I go to sleep, all body, nama, rupa dissolve into me. When again wake up, I, in me, the consciousness, Vishwa, appears. When I go to dream, Taijasa appears. When I go to sleep, sleeper comes. But I am water like Chaitanya. Nityena. Sada vartate. Bhutakala, Bhavishyat-kala and Vartamana-kala also Nitye. Pare transcends. Who transcends? Nama-rupa. Who is in Nama-rupa also and transcends the Nama-rupa also. I am Paramarthika Satyam. Body, mind, Jagrata Avastha, Swapna Avastha, Vishwa, Taijasa, Prajna, they are all Vyavaharika Satyam. I am Paramarthika Satyam. I transcend. I am immanent. At the same time, I transcend. I am in them, but they are not in me. Masthani sarva bhutani nacha masthani bharata. I am immanent in every nama rupa, but I am not that nama rupa. Nothing is there in me because I am asangaha, nirmalaha aham, asangaha. Because I am Paramarthika Satyam. How can they are in me. They cannot. They are vyavaharika satyam, relative order of reality. Dream objects, dreamer's relation is there. Dreamer has got relation with the dream objects. Waker has got relation with the waking objects. But I am neither waker nor dreamer. Therefore I am relationless. Asangaha aham. Asangoham, asangoham, punah punaha. Who am I? Brahma asmi. That is the line, first line. Brahmaivaham. Brahma eva aham. Which Brahma? Prajnanam Brahma. Introduced in the first verse. That Prajnanam Brahma aham. So aham Brahma asmi Mahavakya is over. Whoever knows this, that person is my Guru. I consider that wise person is my Guru. This is my conviction, my firm knowledge. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namah.